gonna turn this. I was in 808 last night, and I'll say this, man. I kind of like the vibes, man. I like the vibes. I'm not gonna say it reminds me of the old Lucifer, right? For you young cats, you probably don't know about the old Lucifer, right? Lucifer used to be the spot, right? But I will say it's getting there, right? If they had a band, it's getting there, right? If you know, you know, right? The old Lucifer, right? Which was the old 808, right? Before 808, it is what it is now, right? Lucifer used to be the spot, right? They had a band, right? Full of American dudes, man. I think one of the dudes was from Atlanta or something. Right? I don't remember, right? But I see what they have going on now, and I kind of like it, right? It's cool. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. And they diversifying the music. I'm gonna be honest with you. For like 7-8 years, 808 played the same music, right? Literally, like 7 years, right? 7 years straight, right? You go to 808, it was the same playlist, right? So salute to the management there for firing whatever DJ you had. I'm glad you fired that cat, right? It's like 7 years. For like 7 years, 808 played the same music, like every weekend, like every day. It's like the dude had a Apple playlist or a Spotify playlist, and he just pressed play. He wasn't even doing no DJ. It wasn't no DJing. He was just pressing play on some Apple playlist. I almost twisted my ankle, right? So for like 7 years, 808 was trash as far as the music is concerned, right? Trash, Trash. So I realized they incorporated, you know what I'm saying, some new music and these guys talking over the songs. So let's talk about that. I'm not really a fan, right? It's like the old Funkmaster Flex. Matter of fact, the old Puff Daddy, right? Talking all over the music tracks, right? That's kind of 808, right? It ain't for me, right? I'm not saying nothing wrong with it, but it ain't for me. It's like Puff Daddy talk about take that, right? A Flex yelling over a song, right? I'm not really a fan of them rapping the songs and singing the song. I'm not a fan. It ain't for me. Like, I'm not really a fan of you playing a song, right? And some cats up there singing a song. Boy, it don't sound the same, right? It don't sound the same, fam. No disrespect, fam, but it don't sound the same. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really, I love that 808, right, has diversified the music. Somebody driving without no helmet. I love that 808 has diversified the music, right? The good thing is you're already here. Already in front of the police station, so yeah, it's not that bad. The good news is driving without no helmet in front of the police station. That's crazy. The good thing is that 808 diversified the music, right? I like that. But what I don't like is these dudes talking over the song, singing the song like it's Puff Daddy, Funk Master Flex, DJ Drama, right? Whoa, let me listen to the song, man. Let me enjoy the song. So that's what I don't particularly care for. Like I don't need you to DJ Drama the entire song, every song, right? I don't need you to DJ Drama the entire song, every song, like those old mixtape. Like I don't need you to talk over the song. So that's what I don't like about 808, right? I like that they diversify the music. I don't like dudes talking over the song, brother. Yes, you ruined the song. Like you literally ruined the song. Nothing against it, but it's not my, you know what I'm saying? It's not my cup of tea. It might be your cup. It's not my cup of tea. I can have an opinion, right? Nothing wrong with having an opinion. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to the gym right now. But it's not my cup of tea with dudes talking over the song like that. DJ Drama, Flex, Puff Daddy, right? Let the song play, man. Let me listen to the original artist. This is why the song was on the charts. It wasn't on the charts because of your voice. You know what I'm saying? If it was your voice, it wouldn't be on the charts, right? So that's what I like and what I don't like about 808. And I'm gonna tell you this. These women nowadays, they be in 808. Get the big bite. They be in 808 wearing they be in 808 wearing stuff up to they these women being, and I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it, but they be in 808 wearing stuff you wear to the beach. Listen, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just giving you an opinion. Listen, there's nothing wrong with having an opinion. They be in 808 wearing stuff you wear to the beach. I'm talking about literally stuff you wear to the beach. They be in 808 wearing the clothes stop at the bottom of their butt cheek. And listen, I don't have no problem with it, right? Keep doing it. I'm gonna look for sure, right? It would look better if you had some curves back there, but you wearing this knitted stuff, these clothing that stops at the bottom of your butt cheek. Then I look, and you flat like this right here. You flat like this right here. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I don't get. Like if you're gonna wear that kind of stuff, at least have some curves or something. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing. Listen, you wear what you want to wear, right? But if you're gonna wear some stuff that stops at your butt cheek and some see-through clothes, don't be flat like this right here. Like, don't be flat. That's all I'm saying. Like, I broke my neck. I got whiplash for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Little old flat booty self. So 808's cool though, but it's some stuff in there, man. But I see they've made some changes. Salute to 808 for making those changes. It's bigger now. Pause. Right? I like that it's a lot more spacious now. Right? And I'm just giving you an opinion from someone who's going 808 for years, right? It's a lot more spacious now. Someone that was the Lucifer cat, right? It's a lot more spacious now. But I think it's a pro and a con to that, right? It's a pro and a con to that. Like the whole right side is like spacious, but like you can't really see nothing back there. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, man, is there any advantage to having that whole right side spacious? It's like, no. You know? You can't see nothing back there, man. Like I wouldn't want to sit back there. Like I want to be around where there's traffic, right? I don't want to be back there in some dark corner. You know what I'm saying? Listen, it's not for me. Everyone can have an opinion. I don't want to be right there in some dark corner. So I do give props to 808 for making it more spacious, right? Because it's times you go in there, you don't have room. But I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. So yeah, it's cool. 808's cool, man. I went, what was it? Last night was a Thursday. Today's Friday. You know, it was cool. It was 1 or 2 things in there, 3 things in there. But listen, everyone knows you know what I'm saying? I like women curvy. You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? I'm not really into the flat back size. And you know what I'm saying? Let's be honest, man. It's a lot of it in Thailand, right? I gotta understand where I'm at, right? When in Rome, do what the Romans do, right? It's a lot of women with, you know, flat back size in Thailand. So, you know, that's not my cup of tea. But I said that to say there are some attractive women in 808. Minus the flat back size, right? Minus the flat back size. There are some attractive women in 808, right? Minus the flat back size. There are some attractive women in 808. Minus the flat back size. There are some attractive women in 808. Want to go to the gym, stay ready, so you don't got to get ready. Minus the flat back size. Okay, you keep looking at me. Minus that, there's some attractive women in 808, right? Minus the flat back size. So take that with a grain of salt. Hopefully I gave you some advice that'll help you make the right decision.